personal injury. I could put 3. I will not pick my fatality.
This was
nobody.
fatality. Why it is?
Yeah, fatality, yes. It will fatality. Yeah.
Because this is a big equipment trailer. If something is happened to big equipment, definitely fatality.
This is the only threat. This is the only threat. This is the only biggest threat in your facility.
It will be one or less than one, or less more than one.
One fatality.
How it will? One at least one.
So I would say speed control, defensive driving, IVMS, GPS, road safety, warning signboards, driver, approved JMP, speed barrier. I think these all are applicable.
Let's check if it is applicable.
Personal injury, asset damage, that should be a fatality.
No, fatality, put fatality.
I put in.
No, here, personal injury and fatality.
Okay. So existing medical facility, contractor ERP, construction ERP. Right?
We have the medical facility available at site, it's first aid facility at site, right? The first aid clinic.
Ambulance and the mail approved.
Okay. Medvac, we are putting Medvac, so it is covered by ambulance.
Yeah.
But Medvac, what is evacuation?
Medvac, some in case of any emergency, person is made accident. Medvac.
And this is what I want, if you can put first aid and ambulance.
First aid and ambulance.
You put everywhere first aid and ambulance, because they have the standby ambulance full time, right?
Yes, full time.
Stand and ambulance.
So I will put everywhere.
Copy everywhere also. This
Injury there.
no, why put existing medical facility? Okay, that is also there. Okay. That is a, we are talking about outside.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are not observing. Yeah, we put this in. Yeah.
That's correct. Correct. So we are at the excavation vehicle. This we have seen. So this is okay, right?
Yeah.
So now air transport not applicable, water transport not applicable, boat is not applicable. Rotating equipment, maybe they use grinder,
Yes,
cutting,
right.
this is
No,
applicable.
even for machinery also, for the vehicle, it is like
Which one?
like vehicles and other thing.
Yeah. So let us keep it. Use of electrical equipment, completely rotating part, personal injury. So machine guarding, certified equipment, trained staff, toolbox, HSC induction, warning signboards is applicable. This one, existing medical facility, this one, I remove this one because you have both first aid as well as ambulance, correct?
Yes.
So yes, I mean, I have put the equipment and rotating equipment. Maybe you are there using grinder, something, miller and
Something will be there, because at any side you will not step through this one. Definitely there will be something.
we'll keep it. Hand tools, yes, of course you are going to use hand tools. So let us keep it. Inadvertent cutting, personal injury, this one, 3, I'm putting only injury, 3C, WMS, trained staff, contractor WMS.
And WMS will work with the one.
Trained staff, warning signboards, HSC induction, HSC medical facility, this one, I remove the first
First aid and that one. First aid.
ambulance, first aid and ambulance.
Normally ambulance won't work because there is 3. Okay. It's okay.
These 3 areas are okay. Failure of hand tool, personal injury, this one, I'm putting it 3.
But maybe here 3. What is the 4? 4 is severe.
4 is the fatality
itself.
and
Minimum.
permanent and total disability, PTD.
Because that will come as 4.
PTD, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, I understand.
As per right now,
Yeah.
whenever I was twisting out, it will become 4.
I'll put 4?
Yeah.
Everywhere?
No,
4?
here only. We keep rotating the particular hand tools.
But normally we don't put 4C will become MAH. If you
No,
put 4,
because this should be what you want to. Our control is there, right?
yeah.
There's the control, right?
Is it okay?
Yeah, because and your certified equipment, right?
Yeah.
You put certified equipment. It is like inspector, like the whatever your equipment and vibrator and other thing. It won't have like
Internal inspection.
inspector, you put, but internal certified equipment.
But certified. Anybody certifies, it is certified only. So I mean, residual risk is a medium, no problem. No.